Mwanyu murindengi nambiya buendete kuire krochara Chinsa Ikomi chabonora krongo kwaria ni SMS mangana maya iriyo mayana nalendete gwatika minaisko ya Gusii kuboli kwa na ikaranso ikendora mayana nalendete gwatika kuruchingo gonye Chinsa irianyi moja sukusomo na busongo ekiagera na mangana gwatika imeyense yeito ya Kenya kalturojena mabolibu asimuro moja wani Kenya bokurawa na Raila Odinga ni kubarase county ya Nakuru negrwana takurobeli inga kibao chokole mirobeli yabo gosiko kora mandamano litiko lia Jumatatu boigo muraibu ense wano niganyarega kubatuka malieta 50 ayobono abari bachukwira samangana kaso zijiwa administrative secretary sa sense ya Kenya katiya bari bachorirwe ngamona Vincent Mogaka na Millicent Tumanga abwana ne bari kurwa sorgongo gusasikiza ku kyobo Gusii ayuna ragana tokorekana iminaisko ya Gusii bono malieta yo ni ganyare kago chorwa buna anyara kago tumana Felix K Kisii oyore chief of staff service yeri yomuragose head of public service asense ya Kenya yonga tiali mange andokorekana iminaisko ya Gusii gongo kubole obena inche Ikomi elio egalo na chosho utokorwa sense merium bemanyerelio abigari nyanja monero kwene kuna malio gine chiwijago chira senjera bene Eriane Brighton Makori Bunenjere ya moyo gosira bali nobole mase county ya Kisii ni gomugabana abwe county ya Kisii Paulo Simbarati acha kumurobiro yuwa kwena kibinanko baari chinyange chiriba gutumeka anaso munube kenyamurero chimaigederu na chiwiri chego chase abale nobolema aburitangani omonogeri bwebunge ya Kisii na nyara ka okwana ekeroto ganyete roboti irumugabana bunanyara ka okwana nekeranyara ga kwena na chinyange icho gose chiwiri che asibali nobolema konete turayunga ki omonogeri bwebunge ya Kisii yenyara ka okwana semambi ya rero
kwa kufikiria that our people kule nyumbani wanahitaji usaidizi. La pili, nichukue nafasi ni school the Walkabout Foundation, and indeed it is the Walkabout because wameleta ile vifaa na kuja kusaidia watu wetu kwa walk around. Thank you very much. God bless.
Aboroki wa mona baiboli ni gobono banyarire bakoboli babona banyare bagonjere ebirengere byabo annekre arekane buna abanta bangi ni gokonyora barenkerere tibinto bidwita bakonye eyirira nano na magendo da korekana asense yitu ya Kenya ka kwana buri tukuregoro aseskuru ya ibajo yigotoka imeye sub county ya Masaba county ya Kisii gose bungeri nyalibali Masaba espon mishira oyore ementa gose oro morokia bwa mangana ya mento ni bananyareka atabuna nerebu yabantu wonjoreri chinjera cyabo cyo korengereria elinde nali no ene birengo bya masomo birakina sensito ya Kenya.
People are poor because their mindset is set on poverty. It's just like you cannot take somebody who lives in the suburbs to go and live in the slums. There is need for us as a community to change our mindsets. When we change our mindsets, we will believe in ourselves and we will also believe in the children that we have. They have the ability to do better like the ones in those other schools that do good.
Anene kirobogi mabonyare bogendete ko konga sense ya Kenya ni gabono ya nyarige kwena kubuna inere kuirira no na baiboli gotaka na school fees cha bana babe kirobare ase school ka kwa na buri tukurigoro umwarimu monene bwe school ya ibacho firbocho ini gadebuna school chinyingero jandada gwetera makongu anene kra baiboli badari go sira chisemi anene waso wakana school fees korengana no birengo bigende ko konga sense ya Kenya konende ni gasemilia baiboli gwetigana na kuruji school fees erigo sira chisemi ase ense ya Kenya.
The major challenge, of course, is perhaps because of the economy. Our parents are having a very difficult time to pay the requisite fees on time. Like in our institution, that's a challenge we have, and I found it very difficult to provide services for these young people that they have entrusted unto us, especially feeding them. How I wish they also go an extra mile, they sacrifice so that they pay the money that is meant to feed their sons and daughters. Now that we are starting our midterm break, and we have released our sons and daughters to go and join their parents and loved ones at home, how I wish that the parents take their responsibility to guide their sons and daughters on the need to behave responsibly in life so that they are able to realize their dreams in life. Indeed, it's the obligation of parents to shape their young ones. As much as teachers, we have a duty to do so. We have been with them for the last 1.5 months. We have done our bit, and mostly in our bit we impart knowledge as per the curriculum. Formation is purely the responsibility.
Omwemzio yomo koruaze county ya West Pokot umanyikandana Ericha Kaseuseu nigabana nyarega kaburi murai bwenze Dr. William Ruto kuinyora chikanisa nene ekaranyarega dana bono chikanisa jonjita kere kobekerwa religious kit eligo sira chikanisa asenze ya Kenya korengana ne nigadena chikanisa jinyinge nigo cha musire to murai bwenze ayirigo so asekero bono nere buyanera nyarega kwira niyo koboko asoko babekere kit kira chigosira mirobiri yabo yakira litsko.
Najua hii kura yake alishinda tu kwa sababu sisi tulisimama na yeye aliweka bidii na yeye akaongea na Wakristo. Sisi Wakristo tulisimama na yeye vizuri. Mimi nataka kuambia Mheshimiwa Rais, kwa sababu wewe sasa ndio unapanga hii Kenya, mimi nataka kuomba kwamba utengeneze religious act fund ambayo itakuwa ya kusaidia makanisa. Panga hao mapasta waliomba kwa muda mrefu wakasimama na wewe, na for the first time in history ya Kenya politics kanisa ilitangaza kwamba wewe ndio candidate yao. Na unajua sasa hawa mabishop, hawa mareverend, hawa mapasta ndio wako pale mashinani. Mimi naomba Mheshimiwa Rais, hawa mapasta wewe tengeneza hiyo kitu inaitwa tukupitia bunge, peleka mswada ambaye hata ukiita religious fund namna hiyo hawa mareverend wapate pesa ya kuchapa naye kazi ya injili.
Abarai bomo bwazimyura umoja bakurawa numurai muraibu bomo ubu sumurai kyamagyo diamrera murodinga nigo barase county ya Nakuru karabandade gwe kireko ko yabo igoro yeri tukira Jumatatu iribano baro bereruna wega bajokora mandamana se county ya Nairobi ukwana senzemeyu nigo bateruna barabumba ariko serigune serikali gati yabari bakwane ko rwasenzemeyu no muraibu kyama kyawe bakaronso musiaka amo no murayo yu kyamagyo diamrera muro odinga
kama wanajama tukienda Nairobi watumie wafuasi wao kidogo waende waingilie vile Raila amesema maduka huko Grogan waseme ni wanaazimio. Hao tunataka hakuna mwanaazimio mwenye kutaka mabadiliko ya haki ambaye ataenda kuharibu mali ya mtu. Wangapa anasema hatutaharibu mali ya mtu yeyote. Therefore, we shall be very disciplined. Huwezi kupata mageuzi bila kuwa na nidhamu ya hali ya juu. Na ndio tukarudi hapa tukasema mjue katiba inawapa uhuru wa kutosha.
You can assassinate Raila Odinga physically, but you can never assassinate his ideas and the cause for which he stands. And I've said that I am prepared to pay the ultimate price if that will mean liberating the people of Kenya. Kwa hiyo hatuwezi kutishwa. Tarehe 20 tutaonana wao ana kwa ana.
Asenze mende umurai bwabakase bunge nene ubio wandanyi nigobona nyarire kako sirenkwana ya Raila aneyo Raila nyaratika okwana bunalitskoria Jumatatu nigolirabe public holiday go sebanto bari chikwenda semeremo asebono wandanyi nyarire gako boli abateneri bechi company awasenze ya Kenya go chikubabwato kaba Kenya baenda sokorobekana gotatiga media yoka ekianera chikokora coverage ya siritiko erio
made clear since it has already been declared a public holiday that employers of all shades and from all areas should release their employees and allow them to participate in their national duty. The media, of course, will be on duty. So we expect that the employers will understand that their employees will be having a duty to perform that day, a national duty indeed. But more importantly, the call by Mr. Ruto that Honorable Odinga agrees with the police how to go about the demonstrations is uncalled for, is unnecessary. The police know their duty, which is to protect lives and property of Kenyans. It is not the work of Raila Odinga or anybody else in Azimio to help them do their work.
Ase jinga kichomo senata bwe kaunti ya Nairobi Edwin Sifuna niganyarire kuboria serikali kwenda kibinanko kora baroborendi boisaine ekerori tukeria asimio bawo kwenda sokorobekana korengana neni gatebuna kinde gyonzi gisiko mokorekanira umuraibo mu asimio Raila Odinga usabara ibande nige serikali irachikwire gutambugera na ubagera mangana ayo akoreka.
Anything should happen to Honorable Raila Odinga or indeed any member or leader of the Azimio One Kenya Coalition Party. This language you hear of a final solution is not the first time we are hearing such a language. As students of history, you will recall that Adolf Hitler, at the beginning of his term in Nazi Germany, set out what he called a final solution to the Jewish problem in Germany and in Europe generally. By the end of that endeavor, 6 million Jews were gassed and killed and slaughtered throughout Europe. Everybody understands the meaning of the word final solution. We want Mr. Gachagua to be taken to the DCI to record a statement, because we cannot be taken back to the era of J.M. Kariuki, of Robert Ouko and the others, just because they are unable to deal with the political questions that have been laid on the table by the coalition. So as the Azimio la Umoja coalition, we are saying we have confirmed what we have suspected all along, that this is a regime built on elimination of political opponents, built on elimination of witnesses, as we saw in the ICC cases, and that they are going to take us there by trying to eliminate, as he himself said, the leader of Azimio, Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. We want to say, finally, that should Raila Amolo Odinga so much as catch a cold on Monday, the person to be held responsible is none other than Rigathi Gachagua and William Ruto.
Kerobono ringanerio ria maandamano gosorkorbekana riendete kuria bakenyo motweni gobono abarai kurwa sedini yege Islam anyalire bakoboria omugwasimiro moja kuri gichinjera chingao chitari chyokorobekana erigokwana enjera yabo yogokonyinze ya Kenya.
Sisi kama viongozi wa dini kwanza tunamwangalia huyo mwanadamu mwenyewe, maslahi yake yatakuwa wapi. Haiwezekani kufanya maandamano kisha biashara za watu zifungwe, wenye mahoteli wayafunge, wenye magari washindwe kutembea barabarani, watoto washindwe kwenda shule. Tena inasikitisha hivi sasa wanafunzi wa sekondari na primary wamo katika half term, na siku hiyo ya Jumatatu ndio siku watakuwa wanaripoti kurudi shuleni, na huku watu wafanye maandamano ambapo kwamba tunayajua maandamano ya nchi za Kiafrika na Kenya hayaishii katika njia ya amani. Tunawaomba wale wananchi wa Kenya wote kwa ujumla tujiepushe na haya maandamano, kutafuta ndia nyingineo ya kuzungumza na ndia nyingineo kutumia bunge na senate.
Kubotekana ningana yumurai bwenze Dr. William Ruto yagenda tagosingira na bakenya wegatunya togosimekemete nigobone nkwane yo yanyarire kegosirwa na vast lady Ruto oyo tabiruna emeteneta keri gosimekwa sense ya Kenya nene chitauni jiriji nene na liobosera bwe chitauni ejuchira nyare chikororekana.
Rais ametuambia kwamba tuweze kupanda miti, na wacha niseme asante kwa wale ambao wamechaguliwa, watu 12,750 ili tuweze kupanda miti katika mji wetu wa Nairobi. Pengine mwingine unaweza kujiuliza kwamba hii miti tutapanda wapi hapa Nairobi, maana kuna mijengo kila mahali. Lakini najua kwamba we are going to green Nairobi so that Nairobi can be a green city. Tumetembea katika nchi zingine na tumeona vile miji zingine, watu katika nchi zingine wameweza ku green their capital cities, na tunajua kwamba kwa ile mpangilio wa rais wetu ambaye ametuambia kwamba katika nchi yetu ya Kenya tutapanda miti bilioni 15.
Oroboti urbono ruwa vast redi na roto ikyomweri ba mangaraito ya Chinsa Ikomi bono marababa anta manyabona turatware president mo subadi nga kituraro ke omugakoye timetiaro kintoje konyona na nonte lakini apugeri nyanchamare kumanyatangana bante ikorende turese gutwara umusuba murai bwenso musubati ngakitwara ko mugakoe aneka tukuruka umusubati first lady ekero murai yoye gosumugakoe ari asubura ikorenda ino chonte bika tuje konyorana aritko liangia sumuroberio bwensa ikorende ndade kumanyibuna abono murai bwense na nyara kagosokia marieta chief administrative secretaries ase ndoje Millicent Nyaboke Omanga anyara kagochorwa se Ministry of Interior na National Administration boigo nindoje Vincent Kemosimo gaka nereni ganyare kagochorwa achikoba se Ministry of Investment Trade and Industry ina mangero jwanyora ngakia appointment ya nyare ke okorwa na bagusimba lenga bachor kurwa sense meyo ekero konye togote abuna gosaba gusiba tani go bandera gutigu isko igo no jwanyora yo amana mange ekoraga yense yamuyabona mara kwenda ko bamo na kwenda ko bameyandi steam Sumausi ekero chushouta aina kuna mangana yago chira sinjira yemenu manyererio ekero abigari nyanja mene kibuna mangana ni okwanya waragwetera sichibicha na mariugia sinjira ya bene yoko yaretera ninje Brighton Makori.